So the other day, I asked ChatGPT, what did Nigeria's Minister of Health say about the cholera outbreak in Lagos last month? It gave me a detailed response, quotes, policy documents, everything, except the minister never said anything of that nature or even the event happening. ChatGPT was guessing. Now, imagine forcing AI to answer only from verified documents and nothing else. I'm Titi, and this is video 4 in my series on AI skills every journalist needs in 2026. We've covered prompt literacy, hallucination detection, and AI for multimedia creation. Now it's Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. By the end of this video, you will know how to make AI cite only real sources. In 2026, journalists don't just need AI to answer questions, they need AI to answer questions from the right material, and that skill is called retrieval augmented generation. Journalists need retrieval augmented generation because AI answers by default from general training patterns and not from verified documents unless you force it to, and that's why it hallucinates. So, as a journalist who is constantly working with documents like budget reports, policy documents, court filings, interview transcripts, among others, retrieval augmented generation lets you interrogate those documents without reading every page manually, and it only answers from what's exactly in the document. Another way RAG is useful is helping newsrooms with rewriting press releases after giving an AI tool its newsroom style guide, providing detailed context and including previously published articles. This works well for AI because it works based on data given to it. So reporters don't have to spend so much time reworking press releases and can focus on more demanding tasks. So how do you use retrieval augmented generation as a journalist? First, you upload your source document to your preferred AI chatbot or research tool. Most AI tools now let you upload documents or files or paste text directly. Then prompt it to work with the uploaded documents and include the tags you want it to do. And lastly, even with RAG, you still verify. Go to the page numbers it gives you, check the exact wording, cross-reference the figures and the information. In the previous video, I showed how I used Notebook LM to research and generate news story ideas from multiple uploaded documents at once. You'll find the link in the YouTube description. Next week, I'll be talking about the last skill every journalist and newsroom need in 2026, generative engine optimization. See you in the next one.